Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain why it's super important always to test fuses and relays. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. If you have one of those guys and you're trying to find the fuse for the passenger door, for the passenger door control module, you have a computer inside that door that controls multiple things such as power windows, central locking, mirrors as well. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today where you can find that fuse, and if you replace that fuse and you still have problems, we'll explain what else could be causing that, so make sure to stay until the end. We'll cover super helpful information today. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. Before we continue, let me show you now guys, you have actually a fuse box under the hood right here, but that's not the fuse box that we need, okay? That fuse box is right here, but it's not what we need. We need another fuse box, and let me show you where it's located. So if we come through here, okay, I'll come on this side because we have a little bit more room. Now, car has been in a little bit of an accident, so we'll be rebuilding it soon. A little bit of a fender bender. So if we come right here guys, okay, check this thing out. We're going to open the trunk right here. We'll come to this side, okay, and if you pay attention, we just have guys, okay, that's the liner for the trunk. We lifted it up, you have the spare tire and the battery right here, and next to that one you have a fuse box located right here. So that fuse box, you press here and you pull the cover up, okay, just like that, and you remove it. Now we'll explain why it's super important to test fuses. Don't just assume they're good fuses guys. If you cannot see sometimes clearly if they're burned, they still can be burned, and that can actually, you can waste quite a bit of time and money fixing a problem that doesn't exist when all you had to do is replace a bad fuse. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below, how to test fuses, how to test the relays, and where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from, so check it out. The fuse that we need for that passenger control module guys will be that last fuse, that 30 amp fuse right here, from left to right, or the first one from right to left square fuse, okay, that, well, rectangular I guess, but that big JK fuse, so JKs. So if we go right here, we're going to pull it out, okay, and show you the fuse now. 1 second. Okay, perfect. This is guys, okay, this is the fuse that we removed right there. Let me just focus quick here. Okay, still trying to focus. Perfect, that's the fuse right there. You can see it's almost impossible to see if they're burned. I'll get a new one now. Okay, that's the new fuse now, and push it in. So that's the fuse for the passenger door control module if you need help with that. Now window and everything else should work perfectly fine, and even if you test it, let's go ahead and see if it works. Okay, and we're going to turn the radio down. It's on the bottom, the turn knob right there. Okay, it's right there on the left side. Perfect. So let's go ahead and try now. Yep, everything works as it should. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.